Let's get one thing straight. When you think Samsung, you think of the phone in your pocket. It's the device you check first thing in the morning, the one you rely on for messages, photos, and everything in between. Or maybe it's the TV in your living room, where you unwind after a long day, streaming your favorite shows in stunning clarity. For decades, this South Korean giant has dominated consumer electronics, putting screens in our hands and appliances in our homes. From refrigerators that keep your food fresh to washing machines that make laundry effortless, Samsung is woven into the fabric of daily life. Their brand is everywhere, trusted to wake you up in the morning and entertain you at night. It's a name that means reliability, innovation, and a touch of futuristic flair. Samsung's mastery of production and innovation is unmatched. They don't just play the game, they often rewrite the rules. Their factories are marvels of efficiency, churning out devices that set new standards for the industry. Their influence stretches from microchips to container ships, powering much of our modern world. Whether it's the processor in your phone or the display in your laptop, chances are, Samsung had a hand in making it possible. So, what happens when a company with that much tech expertise and cash decides to build a car? Imagine the possibilities when decades of innovation meet the open road. We're not talking about just supplying parts. They want to build the whole thing, from the wheels up, with their signature attention to detail and cutting-edge technology. The car industry is already being shaken by electrification, but the next revolution might come from the tech giants who've already conquered our homes. The lines between gadgets and vehicles are blurring, and Samsung is poised to lead the charge. Samsung has the brand, brains, and muscle to make a serious impact in the automotive world. Their resources and vision could reshape what we expect from our cars. They've perfected the user experience on small screens. Now, they're eyeing the biggest gadget you'll ever own. Imagine a car that feels as intuitive as your favorite device. The leap from your pocket to the pavement isn't just possible, it's starting to look inevitable. The future of driving could be shaped by the same company that shaped your digital life. The question is, are the car companies ready for a world where Samsung is behind the wheel? For years, Samsung has been the car industry's secret weapon, quietly powering innovation from behind the scenes. While other brands took the spotlight, Samsung's technology was the silent force driving progress in the background. That crisp, vibrant display in your luxury car. There's a good chance Samsung made it. Their screens have set the standard for clarity and responsiveness, transforming the driving experience for millions. Their SDI division is a global leader in EV battery technology, powering some of the world's top automakers and helping to drive the electric revolution forward. As a supplier, Samsung has learned the auto business from the inside out, gaining deep expertise in everything from safety to design, all without ever putting their own badge on a car. But now, they're tired of being backstage. The company is ready to take center stage and show the world what they can do. Samsung wants to build the whole car, not just the parts. They're assembling teams of designers, engineers, and software experts to create something entirely new. It's a massive shift. Assembling a safe, desirable vehicle is a whole new challenge, requiring mastery of engineering, manufacturing, and consumer expectations. But the timing is right. Today's cars are rolling supercomputers, packed with advanced electronics, and Samsung is a world leader in batteries, software, and user interfaces. They see the car of the future as an electronic device first, a vehicle second, blurring the lines between transportation and technology. That's a game the old guard can't play as well. Legacy automakers are struggling to keep up with the pace of tech innovation. Samsung is ready to step into the spotlight and redefine what a car can be. The industry is watching, and the world is about to see a new kind of automotive leader emerge. The whispers are out. Samsung's S-Auto One project is real, and it's serious. After years of speculation and rumors, the company has finally stepped into the electric vehicle arena, and the industry is taking notice. This isn't just a concept for a motor show. It's a full-scale development with a big budget, a dedicated team, and a clear vision for the future of mobility. Samsung is investing heavily, signaling their intent to become a major player in the automotive world. Leaks suggest a sleek, all-electric saloon or crossover, aiming to rival Tesla and other tech giants. The design language is bold, futuristic, and unmistakably premium, setting the stage for a new contender in the EV market. The focus? Seamless tech integration, a revolutionary user interface, and a driving experience that feels more like piloting a smart device than a traditional car. Under the hood, performance is powered by Samsung's own battery and chip technology, promising not just range and speed, but also intelligence and efficiency. They're not building a compliance car, they want a class leader from day one, aiming to set new benchmarks in quality, innovation, and user experience. Samsung's past car venture with Renault is history. This time, it's all about software, batteries, and connectivity. The lessons learned have paved the way for a smarter, more ambitious approach. The S-Auto 1 is born from Samsung Electronics, not the old car division. This is a new era, driven by the company's expertise in consumer tech and innovation. The target, launch before the decade's end, maybe sooner. The timeline is aggressive, but Samsung is known for moving fast when it matters. Every day counts, rivals are moving fast, and the race to define the next generation of mobility is on. The S-Auto 1 isn't just a car, it's a statement that tech companies will shape the future of mobility, blending hardware, software, and design in ways never seen before. Samsung is moving its chess pieces for a direct assault on a ripe-for-disruption industry, challenging the status quo and forcing traditional automakers to rethink their strategies. The whispers are turning into a roar, anticipation is building, and the world's eyes are on what comes next. The world is about to see what happens when a tech titan builds a car. Expect innovation, disruption, and a bold new vision for transportation. Are the automakers ready for this? The game is changing, and Samsung is ready to play. If Samsung needed a push, Xiaomi gave it. The Chinese phone maker's SU7 electric car launched to rave reviews and massive pre-orders, proving a tech brand can break into the car market. Xiaomi used its retail network and device ecosystem to sell cars like smartphones, creating a sticky user experience. For Samsung, it was both inspiring and alarming. A smaller rival had beaten them to the punch. The pressure was on. The window of opportunity was closing fast. Xiaomi's success showed you don't need a century of car heritage, just a great product, slick interface, and a trusted brand. Samsung suddenly risked looking like a follower, not a leader. The question shifted from if to how fast. Xiaomi laid out the roadmap. Now, Samsung must follow and improve on it. The race is officially on. The stakes? The future of the car industry. Samsung can't afford to be left behind. Just as the competition heats up, Apple's car project, Project Titan, returns to the headlines. After years of rumors and restarts, Apple is reportedly back in the game with a clearer focus and big ambitions. For Samsung, the threat of an Apple car is the ultimate motivator. Their rivalry in smartphones is legendary. Imagine that battle on four wheels. An Apple car would be a design and software masterpiece, instantly grabbing global attention. Samsung knows it can't afford to let Apple define the next era of mobility. The pressure is on to launch S-Auto 1 before Apple can steal the show. Being first means capturing early adopters and setting the narrative. The car is becoming the next big tech ecosystem. A platform war for the dashboard. Whoever controls the car controls the customer. For Samsung, Apple's return makes their car project an absolute necessity. The battle for the future is on. Samsung's goal is clear: be first among the tech giants to launch a self-branded electric vehicle. Winning this race would cement Samsung as the ultimate innovator and let them define what a smart car really means. It's not just about bragging rights, it's a strategic move. Getting to market first lets Samsung set the standards for connectivity and in-car software. The first mover captures the imagination of the public and the loyalty of early adopters. These tech-savvy customers become brand evangelists, driving momentum. In the age of social media, that's priceless. Launching S-Auto 1 before Apple means Samsung can build its own narrative and prove a world-class EV doesn't have to come from Cupertino. It's a preemptive strike. Waiting and coming second is a bigger risk. The stakes are high, but so is the reward. The race to the starting line is on. Samsung is determined not to come in second. Here's Samsung's secret weapon: vertical integration. While others shop for parts, Samsung makes almost everything in-house: chips, batteries, and displays. Their semiconductor division can design custom processors for the S-Auto 1. Samsung SDI leads in battery tech, ensuring perfect integration for range and performance. Samsung Display creates stunning OLED screens, making the dashboard look futuristic. This in-house approach means unmatched control over quality, cost, and speed. No waiting for suppliers. Samsung can innovate across all components at once. The result? A car where everything works together seamlessly. Traditional automakers can only dream of this level of integration. It's a massive advantage in building a better, faster, more advanced car. Samsung is ready to show what's possible when you build a car from the inside out. Samsung's vision for S-Auto1 goes way beyond transportation. The car will be the centerpiece of your digital ecosystem, connecting seamlessly with your phone, home, and devices. Imagine your car telling your house to turn on the lights or preheat the oven as you drive home. Your phone becomes the key, syncing your settings, calendar, and playlists instantly. Video calls, smart home controls, and entertainment all flow between your car and your other Samsung devices. This ecosystem lock-in keeps customers loyal and competitors scrambling. S-Auto1 isn't just a new product, it's the glue for Samsung's entire universe of electronics. Watch for concept reveals and strategic partnerships soon. If Samsung pulls this off, it won't just disrupt the car industry, it'll redefine it. The road ahead just got a lot more interesting.